There's a turtle in the snake hole. It's trying so hard to not be noticed. But it's hard to not notice when you're splashing around, so let's go see what we can find out about this little turtle. It may run back into the deep water once we get over closer to it. Kind of a small tank, isn't it? Let's see if its head will come out. This is about 8 or 9 inches long, this turtle. It's a great place to catch fish, that's for sure. Well. Okay. This is a very sensitive turtle. I think I will change positions because I think the turtle can see me at the side. I'm going to come around to the back and see if this turtle will, by not seeing me, decide to move around. Let's see if this changes anything. That way I can kind of sit down and relax. This is boring. Well, maybe I'll come around another day and see the turtle active. Carry on, turtle, in the snake hole. It's been 6 minutes by now. I'm going home.